Want to enable dark mode on the Amazon app? Here's how to do it step by step on iPhone. Now, the important thing to know is this. Amazon doesn't have a built-in dark mode toggle inside the app, so we'll use iPhone settings to force it. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Make sure your phone is set to dark mode. Now go back, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Then scroll all the way down and select Per App Settings. Tap Add App. Choose Amazon from the list. Now tap on Amazon inside Per App Settings. Scroll down until you see Smart Invert. Turn Smart Invert on. That's it. Now exit Settings and open the Amazon app. You'll see the interface appear in a dark style theme. If you ever want to switch it back, just return to Per App Settings and turn Smart Invert off. Quick and simple. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.